For this ride along, I wanted to show you the shift patterns of the Paccar TX-18 18-speed automated transmission. So we're riding along in a new 589 tandem axle dump truck, and we're just going to take a little ride down the road. Simple enough, just release the brakes, flip it to D. Nice, easy takeoff. Sometimes when you talk to folks about automated transmissions, they think back to the horror days of the original Ultra shifts. These are 100 times better. Just since we took off, we already made it to 11th gear. Sorry about the jerky videos. I bought the cheapest suction cup phone holder I could find at the truck stop over here. So we're going to take off here. We're going to start out in 5th gear. No clutch pedal. Already made it to 18th gear. Here, we'll go back the other way. And you notice the transition from neutral to reverse. It's nice and easy. Just release the brake a little bit, it starts to roll back. It makes it easy for rolling back into your asphalt spreaders. It's not jerky like the days of the old Ultra shift. Back into drive. Makes it easy to feather the throttle. Take off nice and easy. Maintain a consistent slow speed if you want to spread gravel. Transmissions seem to be becoming a lot more popular in our vocational applications. Over-the-road heavy haul guys are liking them in their tri-axle trucks. When in doubt, give me a call. We'll take it for a test drive.